In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call someone in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process of making a call with this powerful communication tool. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Slack. If you have the desktop application installed, go ahead and launch it. If you don't have the app on your computer, you can easily use Slack in your web browser by going to their website and logging in. Both options offer nearly identical features, so don't worry, you won't miss out on anything important if you're using the browser. Next, identify your preferred workspace. If you're like most Slack users, you might be part of multiple workspaces. Simply click on the workspace that you plan to make the call from. This will ensure you're in the right environment and have access to all the channels and contacts you need. Now, let's say you're using Slack in a browser and don't have the desktop app. In this case, just make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you're on the dashboard of your chosen workspace. Another key feature within each workspace is huddles. Just hover over your workspace name, and you'll see the option for huddles. This is your gateway to starting calls with your teammates or individual colleagues. Once you see huddles, click on it. This feature is a quick and efficient way to connect with others, especially for brief, informal discussions or when a text message just won't suffice. Now it's time to start a huddle. You should see an option to start a huddle. Go ahead and click on it. This action initiates the call process, allowing you to reach out to others. The next step is to type in the name of the channel or the person's name you would like to call. You'll notice that as you type, Slack will auto-suggest options, which makes it fast and simple to find the right person or channel. Once you've selected your intended recipient, simply click on Start Huddle. And that's it. You've started your huddle call. After the huddle has begun, you have several options to enhance your communication. You can talk as you would on a regular phone call. If needed, you can also share your screen, which is particularly useful for presentations, troubleshooting, or collaborative work sessions. Additionally, you can choose to start a video call if visual communication is more effective for your situation. This flexibility makes Slack a versatile platform for any style of communication. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to call someone using Slack's Huddle feature. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made Slack calls a breeze for you.